Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to deep dive with the exchange BTC. We are trade over 300 plus pair future as well. The proper trading they are available, and you can also get other benefit. I'm going to search each and everything about it because anyone you can work this exchange work securely, transparent. You can also get no KYC required. Just you can start get link here my video description link in the description now. So first of all, you can check your download app. You can download it in your mobile phone. Then you can also register where you can put your Google ID, Apple ID. You can check their new startup. So we can participate in the new event. They're going to upload your own social media link, Twitter, Telegram, where you can also give in a 10 USDT. Yes, it's also Telegram, two accounts, two Twitter, and the family have been crossed there in about the 739 plus of there. You can get also daily inside updates. The project there also mark opportunity. So guys, in the futures spot there, gainer and loser, now their categories has been mentioned on that. You can come to join their big market opportunities, and also you can get daily inside updates about the biggest coin already have been listed. Explore all project on this platform. Now you can see here the platform can get some more detail like copy trading, future trading, P&L, and there you can also get the download option of your mobile phone from Google Play and store. Everything is here. You can also best API can get analysis to like their 24 hours trading volume 30 billion. It's really huge. A momentum project, millions of people already working on this project. You can also download your app store, Google Play Store, Android APK files, Android and iOS both operating system are support this app. You can see here 9.10 millions of registered people here. So you can easily joining them if you want to create your account. Click here, simple sign up option. You can create your account. Look at that. The exchange is secure, transparent ecosystem, 14-year of proven security market, and now leading liquidity and Jackson Global brand ambassador. You can see here, and next you can also latest article here, also complete detail about this project. So you can check it out easily by joining them. If you want to create your account, you can click easily. So join your account here, you just put information and email address, also password, then you create your account by clicking the register account. This is a simple options here. You create your account. You can also have 300 plus pairs available. You can choose your pairs suitable and also future. So put your email address and a password and you can register now. You can use your Google account, Apple ID for creating your account. So look at that, it's a simple step here. And you can also start here account here. You can now journey 10,000 USDT being your new journey trade with BTTC here, and now saving here 14 year. You can get also the registration 10 USD be given. Then no with the KYC, without KYC you can also get no required on KYC. You can the first deposit of 500 USD or more within 7 days. Got your first deposit, and also trading there a lot of features. You can analyze here the best introduction here because the BTCC offering you a very flexible here, very secure ecosystem anywhere you want to the work as well to come to the campaign and new startup. Going to make a participate here, you can also grab the commissions and also report much more. I hope you have cleared about the BTCC age everything here. How to create your account, how to join, if you want to buy and sell, convert here options here in the market, analyze here. You can also feature available in this copy trading spot. So get 30 USD here, get 5 USDT and 8 USD first spot trading. Get 20 USDT here. Look at that. So 500 USD here. The lots of opportunity. If you first trade, you can earn now. Uh, so there are benefits here. Can also become a rifles to click. Thank for watching my videos. I hope you understand all the steps clearly. This is a campaign here, very simple steps here. So very secure and easy to use. I hope you understand. Also join this platform. So I'll provide link in the description now. Click the link here and download the app using the download the app here from Apple Store and Google Play Store. Download the app and start now. For upcoming events, so official Twitter and Telegram accounts are also available here. You can join us on social platform for latest updates, so check it out here. This is our Twitter account. You can join up our accounts here for latest update and being a part of our community. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you understand now.